Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we've got our 2024 Ranger here in the shop, and we're going to be showing you how to replace those dim, dingy factory fog light bulbs with our ultra bright CREE white LED bulbs here for your fog lights. They're a great upgrade. Not only do they look fantastic, but they're going to be much brighter, and they're going to greatly improve your visibility when you're driving at night or in those early mornings. We highly recommend the upgrade. It's easy to install, and we're going to show you how it's done right now. The first thing that we need to do is gain access to our fog light bulb. So we're going to be coming through the wheel well here, through this liner, and there's two 7mm bolts here, one at the bottom, and then there's also going to be one a little further up right here. So we'll use a size 7 socket or wrench to remove these, and then we'll be able to peel this liner back, and that'll give us easy access to the bulb. Now we can reach in and grasp the bulb at the base, and with the counterclockwise turn, it will unlock from the truck, and then we'll be able to pull it out just like so. Now to remove the bulb from this harness, you'll push in on this tab here, try not to block the camera, and then the bulb will be able to pull right out. So this is our connector that we're going to connect our new F150 LEDs CREE bulb connector to. So you'll take note that there's a top notch here and a notch here, and then you'll just slide it right back into place until you hear that click. Then we'll be able to take our new CREE LED fog light bulb, and we're going to reinstall it right where the old bulb was. You can even look in the front of the truck while you do this to align your tabs. Make sure it goes in easy. Then once it's all the way in, you want to turn the bulb clockwise to lock it into place. Now we can tuck our digital ballast inside the assembly here, and then we'll be able to peel our liner back in place and reinstall those bolts and repeat for our passenger side, and then we'll be done. So that's all there is to installing the F150 LEDs CREE LED fog lights here on your 2024 and up Ford Ranger. Not only does it make your Ranger stand out and shine brighter, looking fantastic, but it's going to make you and your family safer because you're going to gain visibility at night and in those dark mornings. We highly recommend the upgrade. You can check it out right now at F150LEDs.com. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube below and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at F150LEDs. We truly appreciate your support. We're excited to serve you and see you soon at F150LEDs.com. Thanks, guys.